if you wanted to combine multiple video clips together on a Windows 10 computer, the first thing you want to do is put all your videos in one folder. When you right-click on your video, you choose Open With, and then open it in the Photos app. Now it's going to automatically start playing the video. And what you want to do is you could say Add To, and you can create a new video with music. So I'm going to create a new video with music, and I'm going to say Test Video, all 3 clips. And I'm going to hit Create Video. And it's going to create the video. Now if I hit this one item added to my test video, all 3 clips, hit View Video, I'm now in this project library. So if I wanted to add my other videos, I can hit Add, and I can browse from this PC. And I can select the other 2 clips and hit Open, and it's going to add all 3 of these clips to the video. So from here, down below, this is my timeline. So I have my first video clip here. That's 2 minutes and 45 seconds. If I wanted my second clip, I can click it and drag it down to the timeline. And then if I wanted to merge the third clip, I can drag it down to the timeline. So now I have one video, and you can see over here in this play area, it's 8 minutes and 1 second long. I can hit play if I wanted to test out the video, and I can even add some effects if I needed to. But what I would like to do is finish this video. So in the upper right corner, if I hit Finish Video, and I would choose a high quality for your video, but for this example, I'm just going to make it a really lower quality. And then I'm going to make sure there's acceleration, everything's checkmarked, and I'm going to hit Export. It's going to ask me where I want to save it. I'm going to save it on my desktop and hit Export. And then I'll see once it's done exporting, there is my final video clip here. So on a Windows 10, you want to use the Photo app to combine maybe 3 of your Zoom video clips together. For more information, check out our website at ctl.center.edu.